What's up guys, Faisal here. Apple destroys everyone again. We are back and this is the strongest iPhone 14 news. We finally know what performance boost to expect on the upcoming iPhone 14 series with a brand new Apple A16 chip, and well, they are about to leave the competition in dust once again. According to this new info coming from I had2 on Twitter, which by the way has a very good track record. In the past initial tests, we have got a pretty good increase in the under 2 benchmark, which brings about 35% GPU gain and about 42% CPU gain. This is actually in comparison to the Apple A15 chip. This is great. But the best part is actually the battery life. With the iPhone 14 series, you can expect a 2 hours plus addition to the already monster battery life of the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. This is incredibly awesome considering this was just the initial testing. Now it's not just better battery life, but also faster charging, as iPhone 14 Pro lineup can charge 50% in 16 minutes for the first test. He further mentioned that the screen is updated as well for a better efficient usage. It seems like Apple is indeed using the absolute latest OLED LTP or text from LG and Samsung that can drop to 1 hour for that increased battery performance boost. So there we go. Despite not changing the Apple A16 chip massively compared to a 15, Apple is still bringing a boost with both CPU and GPU performance with better optimization and of course with a faster LPDDR5 RAM installation, which could be majorly responsible for this better performance and under 2 benchmark. I am very excited about the battery life on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup because, as we know, Apple very easily destroys their open ends in terms of the battery life already with the 13 Pro Max. You can just imagine what a level we can see with the iPhone 14 Pro series in terms of battery life versus the competition. Now I have to also mention the camera is looking amazing, likely because of the new sensor, which is bound to bring some big improvements, especially with the sharper photos and sharper videos thanks to more megapixel. The new 48 megapixel sensor will be exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, but the front camera upgrade will be coming to all iPhone 14 models. Yes, MacChico further confirmed that this sensor is coming with 6-element lenses compared to 5th lens from last year, bringing better performance. And now with autofocus, Apple already has one of the best front camera performance out there, so it is going to get ever better with the new iPhone 14 lineup. Also in the news, iOS 16 developer software could recently confirm the existence of the always on mode for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup, considering the new lock screen on the iOS 16, which is the by way a very good implementation. Always on mode for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup is very likely to happen. iPhone 14 series is definitely Apple's hottest product for 2022, but there's going to be more later down the year, as Mark Gurman says that Apple is updating its excited iPad Pros in September or October with the new M2 chips, wireless charging and upgrades to the camera system. The market will once again see the absolute fastest tablet ever. There we go. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.